Hi students. So this is the PSC Mathematics 6th semester paper 8. Okay, paper 8 model question paper 1. So we are solving this model question paper in this video and I'm only covering the complex numbers part. Okay, and this numerical method we will solve in the next video. So we'll solve only this part. So till the question number 9. Okay, so these are the questions. So find the locus of the point. First questions. So this is the first main, which is having, you have to answer 5 questions which carries 2 marks here, and here you should write 4 questions out of 8 questions, and each questions carry 10 marks. Alright. Okay. First question, they have asked, find the locus of a point Z satisfying. First question, locus of a point satisfying mod of Z minus I less than or equals to 3. So this is our first question. So now you can see that, so our equation in the form of Z minus Z naught is equals to R. So here Z naught is equals to I and radius is equals to 3. So this equation represents all points within and on the circle because it is less than or equals to no. So inside the circle and on the circle. Okay, with the center Z naught is equals to I and the radius R is equals to 3. Second question is evaluate limit Z tends to minus 2I into 2Z plus 3 into Z minus 1 all divided by Z square minus 2Z plus 4. Okay, this is a given question. So first we have to apply the limit. So solution, replace Z. We have to apply this limit inside the Z. So we will get 2 in the place of Z we should write 2I. Okay, Z ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ minus 2I ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So whole equation if we apply, so we'll get the minus 2I the whole square minus 2 into minus 2I plus 4. Okay, now you have to simplify this one. 2 into 2 andre minus 4I plus 3. This one is minus 2I minus 1 all divided by minus into minus it will be plus I square. Again I square is minus 1 it will be. Okay, so evago aste I square value is minus 1. So illenide minus into minus plus agutte. Again 2 square into I square irutte. So 2 square is 4, I square is again minus. So it is minus 4. Okay, so this part. Again here 2 into 2 minus into minus plus. So plus 4I plus 4. And this one will get cancelled. Again here you have to multiply the things here like this. Okay, 8 into 2. So minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8 I square minus into minus plus 4I minus 6I minus 3 all divided by 4I. Okay, again if we do simplification, I square again minus 1 anta replace madre we'll get here that as minus 8 minus 2I minus 3 all divided by 4I. Okay, again minus into minus, so minus when both are negative I have to put the minus sign as it is under 11. 8 plus 3 it is 11 minus 2I divided by 4I. Again we have to take the imaginary part separate and the real part separate. So then our equation will be, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ I ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ minus 11 by 4I minus 2I by 4I ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ I get cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so then this equation we can write it as 2 1s are 2 2s are minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 minus 11 by 4I. So this is our final answer. Third question is, we have to prove that u is equals to y cube minus 3x square y is a harmonic function. Okay, it's a harmonic function. So that is what the question. So solution is, so here u they are given. Harmonic andre one equation itte adu satisfy agbeku, means what, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square should equals to 0. If it is equals to 0, then it says that it satisfies the Laplace equation. Okay, if it satisfies the Laplace equation, then the equation is harmonic function. Okay, now u they are given, we have to double integrate with respect to x as well as y. Okay, so first we'll consider u again, y cube minus 3x square y. Okay, dou u by dou x, first integration. Again dou u by dou x is, so with respect to x andre there is no x in this part, so we have to only differentiate this. So minus 3 आगे ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, x square differentiation is 2x and y will write as it is. So it is minus 6xy. Okay, again this we need dou square, so again we have to differentiate it. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ minus 6y ಆಯಿತು. Okay, now again u na again with respect to y we have to differentiate. Okay, so with respect to y, so dou u by, so this is our u, so dou u by dou y. With respect to y, in both side y is there, so first y cube na differentiate madana. Y cube differentiation is 3y square, that is n into x to the power n minus 1, no, so 3y square minus, again here y is there, so y differentiation is 1, so that is 3x square. Okay, again if you differentiate this one, because we need dou square, no, so dou square u by dou y square is equals to, again we have to differentiate y, so this part is like a constant because y term is not there, we have to only differentiate this one, so 3 into y square differentiation is 2 into y, so answer is 6y. Okay, when you substitute these two answers, see negative 6y, positive 6y, when you substitute here, then our equation will be minus 6y plus 6y, so both will get cancelled, so answer is 0, right? If the answer is 0, if it satisfies the Laplace equation, then our equation is harmonic function. So this is what the solution, so it satisfies the Laplace equation, so our given u is a harmonic function. Given u is a harmonic function, so that is our solution. Okay, again first main equation, evaluate the closed integral curve z bar the whole square into dz around the circle, mod z is equals to 1. Okay, mod z is equals to 1, that is the given question. Here around the center with the circle z is equals to 1 anta they are given. Okay, so this means what, mod z is equals to 1 means r is equals to 1 and z is equals to, means center is equals to 0 0. Okay, because z minus z naught is equals to r is our equation. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ z naught ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ r is equals to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. z naught is our center, so center values is considered as a 0. Okay, so now on this circle we have to use the polar form r e power I theta. Okay, z is equals to r e power I theta. When you differentiate it, so dz is equals to, with respect to theta, if you differentiate, how you have to write as it is, differentiation of e power I theta is e power I theta, again differentiate of I theta is I. Okay, so this is our solution, and theta differentiation is d theta. Okay, now it is a circle they have said, so theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. So in this circle they are given mod square. alright, z square. So which means that e power negative sign means what, z is equals to e power I theta, whereas z bar is equals to e power minus I theta. So z bar whole square means z power minus 2I theta. Okay, now we have to apply integration for this one. We know now dz value we know, dz value we know, and z bar value we know, and limit also we know. So that we have to apply. So integration 0 to 2 pi e power minus 2I theta, then dz is this much. Okay, so here with respect to theta we are differentiating I into r into e power I theta into d theta. Okay, here I and r is common, so we'll take I and r outside. Since r given as 1, no, so here we have to consider r, substitute r as 1 from the given equation. So here all will not come, so only I we will take outside. Then the integration of minus 2 plus 1. Okay, it is like a power minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is negative. So minus e power I theta into d theta. We have to integrate with respect to theta. Now what? We get e power minus I theta differentiation is e power theta with the negative sign. Okay, so it will be like I into e power I theta will write as it is in negative sign, then I on the denominator. So with 0 to 2 pi, here upper limit minus lower limit we need to only apply along the theta, so we can take the high common. So I am taking the I outside. Now upper limit e to the power minus e to the power minus I 2 pi, minus into minus it will be plus e power minus I into 0. Okay, e power 0 is 1. So this one and this one get cancelled. So left out is negative e power minus 2 pi I. Okay, this part is 1. So minus. So plus 1. So this is our answer. Now when you take negative out from this one, it will be like 1 minus e power minus 2 pi I, which implies 1 minus e power I theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, e power I theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. So here e power minus 2 pi I can be written as cos 2 pi minus I sin 2 pi. Okay, now cos 2 pi value is 0. Sin 2 pi value is 0 and cos 2 pi value is 1. Okay, so which implies 1 minus 1 0. So this is the final solution.